Let's review our line of disconnect switches. Our products are great for their modular construction. For presentation, there are many options you can choose from, with padlockable handle, either yellow, red or grey, with plate, frame and handle, yellow, red and grey, in enclosures. Let's take another look at a unique feature which characterises Baco disconnect switches. The reversible terminals enable either front or rear mounting simply by sliding the terminal bars. The flush mounting assembly, diameter 22 mm, enables quick and easy assembly in a 22.3 mm panel cutout. Either padlockable presentation or plate and handle. Insert them from the front of the panel. Then add the mounting ring using the appropriate Baco fixing tool, item number LWA0234. Snap the 3-pole main block onto the back of the panel adapter. That's all there is to it. Flush mounting assembly is also possible using 2 screws panel mount, interval 30 mm for size 1, 25-32 amps, and 4 screw panel mount, interval 36 mm for sizes 2 and 3, 50-63 amps and 80-100 amps. Specific features like the fixing screw of the handle attachment. It cannot be removed when padlocked. For rear mounting assembly, take the 3-pole main block and slide the terminals to the front. Then snap it onto the DIN rail with a vertical circular motion. Baco disconnect switches offer a door interlocked external handle for its safety features. Metal cuttable shafts, with or without door interlock system. Short or long metal shaft available. Each installation will require a disconnect switch, handle and shaft. Baco enclosed disconnect switches are designed to meet customers' requirements for compact and durable individual disconnecting mean. Padlockable or non-padlockable presentations are possible on enclosures with a degree of protection from IP40 up to IP65-66. Let's take a closer look at IP66 IK07 enclosed integral padlockable switch disconnectors, suitable as motor disconnect. Remove the red handle by loosening the side screw. Remove the single screw at the bottom. Remove the cover from the bottom up. Slide front the terminal bars to remove the 3-pole main block. A wide choice of associated contact blocks are possible. Additional poles, neutral pole, junction block and auxiliary contact can be snapped onto the 3-pole main block. Accessories include various protection covers. Thanks for watching this review of the Baco Push Buttons L series. For more information, please visit our website www.baco-international.com.